Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this session, I will show you how I play my very favorite smooth jazz tune from Ronnie Laws, Always There, on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E. And we'll start the tune with a riff that sounds like this. In order to play that riff, we're going to go to the G string, fret 3, strike it, and do a bend on it like this. So we bent it up and then let it back down to pitch. And then we'll go to fret 1, and then fret 3 on the D string, back to fret 1 on the G string, back to fret 3 on the D string, and then fret 1 on the D string, and end up at fret 3. So again, that's and it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. We'll follow that with kind of the same thing, except the riff is shorter, and we'll start strumming. It'll sound like this. So we did our bend, went to fret 1, fret 3 on the D string, and then back to fret 1 on the G string, and then we'll start strumming. Next, we'll strum a set of chords that we can play throughout most of the song, and they'll sound like this. Now those chords are an F minor 7 played this way. For that chord, I'm holding down everything from the D string down at fret 1, and I'm bringing my thumb over for an F bass note if I need it. Now I can get away with just playing this, just holding down that D string and everything below it. I like to have my thumb in order to play that bass note or to mute those strings, so I can play this. And we played that down, up, down, up, down, like that. We'll move to a C minor 7 formed this way. And we're going to aim for just those 3 strings. We're on the B string at fret 4, the G string at fret 5, and the high E string at fret 6. And we're going to play that with an up strum like this. Just 2 ups. Then we'll go to a G flat 6/9 chord formed this way. We're playing that by holding down the D string at fret 4, the G string at fret 3, the B string at fret 4, and the high E string at fret 4. And we're just strumming those strings. And we're strumming that the way we strum the first chord. Down, up, down, up, down. Like that. For the last chord in the sequence, we'll play D flat major 7. Like that. For that one, I'm borrowing fret 4 from the A string down, bringing in my ring finger to the D string, fret 6, a finger to the G string, fret 5, and placing the little finger on the B string, fret 7. And we're going to strum that one with 2 ups, like that. So here's our strumming pattern for those chords. The next thing is the bridge, and for the bridge we'll go through a series of chords. We'll start with a G flat minor 7. For that one we're holding down fret 2 from the D string down and bringing that finger over again at fret 2 like this. Now you can also play that chord this way, and that's by placing a finger at fret 4 on the A string as you bar fret 2. Then we'll play a B ninth suspended 4 by holding down everything from the A string down at fret 2. Then we'll go to an E major 7 up at fret 7. And for that one we're barring fret 7, finger goes into the D string, fret 9, the G string, fret 8, and the B string, fret 9. Then we'll move to an A13 formed this way, A flat 13, and a G13. They're all formed the same way. If we go back to our A13th, I've got a thumb on the low E string at fret 5, a finger on the D string, fret 5, the G string, fret 6, the B and high E string, fret 7, like that. And we're going to move that down. That's our A flat 13 and our G13 at fret 3. Then we'll play a C major 7 at fret 3 and use the same form that we used for the other major 7s. And we'll raise that to fret 8 for an F major 7. Then we'll follow that with an E minor 7. For that E minor 7, we're barring fret 7 from the A string down. A finger goes to the B string, fret 8, and the D string, fret 9. We'll move that down by 2 frets for a D minor 7. Now when we get to the D minor 7, we're going to do a little riff that goes like this. So it's, and for that we're going to go to the G string, fret 5, hammer on to fret 7, then we'll go to fret 6 on the B string and hammer on to fret 8 and pull off it. So it's, then we'll go to this chord. That's an A flat major minor 7. For that one we're barring fret 4 from the G string down, and a finger goes to the D string, fret 5. Then we'll finish with a G flat major 7 formed this way, and we'll play this. And that's our little break to get us back into the groove. So that chord is formed this way. So I've got a finger on the D string, fret 4, the G string, fret 3, the B string, fret 2, and the high E, fret 1. And we play this. And then we'll go back into our song. Now here's how we're going to play those chords. G flat minor 7, 1, 2, 3, B knife suspended 4, E major 7, A 13, A flat 13, G 13, 2, 3, C major 7, F major 7, F major 7, E minor 7, D minor 7, riff, A flat major minor 7, and then G flat major 7. After that, we'll go back into our groove and take the song out, and that's all we need to know in order to play Always There by Ronnie Laws on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.